me wonder who you might be playing with. Makes me wonder who.
Good morning, you guys. Today is Sunday, March 17th, and it is photo shoot day. I am exhausted. I am so tired because I was out with book club yesterday in New York, and I had a great time, but I am now exhausted. But that's okay. I'm going to have some coffee and be fine. I got to get gas because last night my gas tank went on E, and I was so tired. I was just like, you know what? We're gonna deal with that in the morning, and that's what we're gonna do. So yeah, I'm about to get gas, and then I'm gonna go head to the grocery store so I can get the girls just like something to nibble on while they're getting ready. So I figured I'd get bagels, cream cheese, and maybe some fruit. I also have to pick up a little mini cake for myself for one of my photos, and what else? Some champagne and some orange juice. So they can have mimosas, and I'll probably stop at the Dollar Tree and just get some, I'm trying to think how many glass, champagne glasses I have. I don't know, but I'll check, and see. And yeah, and then I want to do my hair and makeup and all of that stuff first. I forgot the freaking steamer from my cousin's house. All right, so I want to try the outfit, one of the outfits, and see. Hopefully it's not looking wrinkled, but you know what? I could go pick it up real quick on my way to the studio. I might do that. So yeah. So I'll see you once we get to the spa. So luckily I didn't get far because I just realized I forgot my freaking shoes. So I'm about to go back, grab those, and head to the store. Alright, so now I'm just curling my hair up. Don't really know exactly how I'm gonna wear it yet. I'll probably figure that out once I get like my dress on. And I got their stuff laid out over here. Let me show you. Right there. So we got the food and stuff for the mimosas. I got my makeup all ready, except for I don't have any lip gloss on yet, just because I blow my nose a lot and it's no point. So yeah.
Cause when he be cheesy, wait.
Can we get it together?
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check it.
All right, y'all. So the shoot is a wrap. I had a great time. The girls were amazing. They looked beautiful. I really like how the pictures came out. Obviously, they still have to get edited and stuff like that, but even prior to editing, they were beautiful. So I feel like my vision definitely came to life. And I can't wait to do this again. My first photo shoot is a wrap, and I had so much fun. So stay tuned for more.
I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't want to leave. You know, I wouldn't want to bleed. Even my body, my body.